As a growing number of Wagner soldiers gather in Belarus, neighboring countries are mulling a border closure. According to Polish officials, more than 100 mercenaries belonging to the Russian-linked mercenary group had moved close to the shared border. Both Poland and neighboring Lithuania have said that Wagner soldiers could try to disguise themselves and attempt to infiltrate their territory. Polish Prime Minister Mateusz Morawiecki said on Saturday that his government had received information that the Wagner mercenaries were not far from Grodno, a city in western Belarus close to the land, which is also known as Suwalki Gap or Corridor. What exactly Wagner troops are doing in Grodno is unclear, as Wagner has not commented on the reports. But deploying Russian allied forces near the Suwalki Corridor would represent an escalation that could rattle NATO and EU members. Though just 60 miles long, the corridor is strategically important to NATO, the EU, Russia and Belarus. The border region connects the Russian enclave of Kaliningrad to Belarus, and it is the only overland link between the Baltic states and the rest of the EU. Morawiecki repeated allegations that Belarus, a key ally to Russia, has been sending migrants westward in an attempt to overwhelm Polish border forces. Wagner mercenaries have moved into Belarus under a deal ending the aborted mutiny last month by the group's leader Yevgeny Prigozhin. The troop movements, Morawiecki said, appeared to be another element in this campaign to destabilize the border. The Poland-Belarus border has already been a tense place for a couple of years, ever since large number of immigrants from the Middle East and Africa began arriving, seeking to enter the EU by crossing into Poland as well as Lithuania. Poland's government accuses Russia and Belarus of using the migrants to destabilize Poland and other EU countries. It calls the migration a form of hybrid warfare and has responded by building a high wall along part of its border with Belarus. So far this year, there have been about 16,000 attempts by migrants to cross the border illegally, pushed to Poland by Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko and Russian President Vladimir Putin.